To make the connections, I will use this option here called Place Wire. So it is with this that I will start connecting each of the electronic components together, following, of course, the connection that is described in my schematic. How do I intend for this circuit here to work? So here I made a connection from the battery to my switch, from the switch to the resistor, from the resistor to the positive pole of all LEDs, and the negative of all the LEDs are connected together and go back to the GND of my battery. Still on the taskbar, if I want, I can make some indications here of my circuit. How, for example, to determine that this point here is the GND point, and that I also have a VCC point on my circuit. In this case, I could put something here to indicate my VCC. It could be this one. You have to edit because actually my battery is 3 volts. And again, connect the wires to these indicators, okay? This way, I already have my schematic 100% complete. And at this stage, we cannot forget to save our schematic. So by pressing Ctrl S or clicking on the cartridge up here, I can name and save my schematic. Now, with my schematic saved, it's time to move on to the edge phase. And as soon as you move to the edge, you will see that there are no electronic components here yet, even though they already have electronic components described in our schematic. This is because, at this moment, we need to bring the electronic components from the schematic to the edge. And we will need to repeat this process every time that any changes are made here within the schematic. So if you were already building your border, remembered that there was an electronic component missing, or want to remodel a PED, you go back to the schematic, make the modification, come here to the edge, and again, you're going to do the same process that I'm going to show you now. We will start by saving our PCB with exactly the same name as our schematic.